Yeah.
And I was saying, remember when I did Joe's first Toolbox Tour? You were like, this is me fucking rattle gun, Now you got a new rattle gun. Where is it, Joe?
Next toolbox. Did
Come on, Joe, show us it.
The beauty, bro.
Have a look at you now, though. Oi. We're just doing you. Let's do it on the spot.
Come on,
yeah,
come on.
bro. You've migrated from the workshop to the truck, bro, and you got a big truck too. You got a truck license.
Yeah, yep.
The viewers at home can just see the progression of your career, mate. And look at this, buying snap-on tools, bro.
Look at this, bro. Just listen to
You're
it.
you're off the chain. It's savage, eh? This thing. And what are you doing here? You got a big job going on. You're doing a cylinder head.
Yeah.
You use this to get the head start, the head bolts out? What'd you use?
Break a bar.
It is savage, eh?
Have a feel. It's a wrist breaker.
It is, but it's dirty, isn't it? It's annoying, it barks, eh?
Fucking oath.
And what are you doing here? Tapping out threads?
Yeah, it's new.
Oh, it's tight.
Yes.
Well, you run it. Is that what you're using the shifter for?
Yeah, not really.
Where's your tapping tool?
Haven't got there yet.
Oh, you spent all your money on your rattle gun, bro, no tap tool. And what was wrong with it? What was it in for? Can you see it blind?
See in front here, sort of blown out the front
out
there.
Yeah.
Yep.
It was actually squirting out the side when we pressurised it, eh?
Yeah, so this out the front on the, just under the thermostat here.
Yeah.
Just under there.
Nice. Look at that. And you got the wood in the right spots. Squirts still. You're running the gauntlet, leaving the squirts in there.
No, I took them out, resealed them.
You got them back in?
Got them all back in, but I've got the block of wood away from the injector.
Yeah, you're on. Is there anything else you need to yarn to us about with this? No?